Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little different. Today we are going to be having a pool day, which I am so excited about. The weather is supposed to be super sunny today, but for some reason it's cloudy. But I am going out to the pool anyway because I got a new pool float. I haven't had a new pool float in a long time, so I'm really excited about this. And I love the one I got. So I got this one off of Amazon. I'm about to show it to you. This is my new pool float. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be awesome. I love any type of laying out pool float because I love to lay out by the pool and get a tan, but I always wanna be in the water tanning as well. So this one is going to be perfect for me. I love the look of it and the color. I haven't even opened it yet, haven't even set it up. I'm gonna be having Alan blow it up for me. But yeah, let's get ready to have a day by the pool. I need to pick out a bathing suit. I also need to pack a lunch bag because we are going to be having lunch out by the pool. Cookie, do you wish you could go to the pool, my girl? Oh my girl. Yeah, this is gonna be super fun. So let's go ahead and get this open and then I need to start getting ready. P.S. I bought a new SPF yesterday because my melasma is acting up again. Every summer, such a charm. I'm still in my house coat and jammas, by the way. I got up this morning and had coffee and then I had breakfast and now I'm just waiting. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but let's get this open. All right, so this is the Samafi. I probably said that wrong. Cookie, stop! So it's 67 inches and 32 inches wide. Can hold up to 260 pound weight capacity. Inflatable pool float, inflatable recliner. So in this package comes the float itself. It also comes with instructions for use and 2 vinyl patches, just in case you need them. So here are the 2 patches. And then here is the instructions. And this is my pool float. Oh my gosh, I love the color. The blue and white stripe. This is gonna be so awesome. All right, so we're gonna get this set up, inflated, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. So let's go. I will have this link down below if you guys wanna check it out. Got it from Amazon. One thing I am gonna do before we go out to the pool though is just straighten up my apartment a little bit because I don't wanna come through that door and see a messy apartment. I want everything nice and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick cleaning in here. By the way, this is the SPF that I got from Walgreens yesterday. It's 50 and it's hydrating, hypoallergenic, lightweight, and fast absorbing, water resistant for 80 minutes. That's what I'll be using at the pool. You guys, it smells so good. You know that smell of like a new pool float? That's what it smells like. It smells amazing though. Okay, so they say you need a pump to do this. I don't have a pump, so we're gonna see if me and Alan together as a team can make this happen. Probably not, but we're gonna find out in just a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my oil pulling quick, brush my teeth, wash my face, and then start getting ready. Pool ready. I'm not even gonna use the measuring cup, I'm just gonna put this right in my mouth and start swishing. I have to show y'all something so funny. So I was worried about Alan being able to blow up the float, and we don't have a pump. So I was like, I don't know if we can do this, Alan. Look at this idea he just had. And I was like, that's not gonna work. Boy, he proved me wrong. Check this out. Working. It's almost done. I can't believe it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer just so it can get super cold before we head out. So we're gonna be splitting a sandwich, so I'm gonna go ahead and toast 2 pieces of bread. I'm actually gonna make us a chicken salad sandwich. I'm using this Chicken Creations buffalo style. I'm gonna cut up a little celery just so we can have a little crunch in there. I'm gonna add just a little bit of mayonnaise to take down the heat in this because it's pretty spicy. Gonna add a little salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. So now I'm going to pack our pool bag, which is brought to you by H-E-B. Normally I would bring a cooler, but it's in the junk closet and I don't feel like digging for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll our towels up so they'll fit in there nice and neat. Won't take up too much room. Just fold it like that and roll. Bring a mirror to the pool, that way I can check myself out without having to go to the bathroom, just in case I need to see if I'm starting to burn, because I burn easily, so I do bring a mirror to the pool. We're also bringing some of this, which is the Banana Boat Protective Spray Oil. It has 15 SPF and coconut oil. This stuff's really good, but for my face I got that other SPF because I needed it a little stronger. So I'm packing this in the bag as well. Okay, so my husband, the genius, has finished blowing up the pool float with the blow dryer. Can you believe that? Amazing, I'm so impressed. But anyway, so this is the pool float. I am loving this and I haven't even sat on it yet. I love that it's got this pillow where you can relax. It's got 2 cup holders, it's got 2 handlebars. I'm gonna lay it on the floor and hop right on it. Hopefully the cats don't go near it because they will pop it. But yeah, let's see how I look in my new pool float. Well, would you look at me? Woo! Okay, I love design. Oh my gosh, I could sleep in this. This is so comfortable. I love the way it has that design for your legs to just go up. The pillow in the back, so I'm setting up handlebars, cup holders. I've got it made in the shade, or I'm going to anyway when I go out to the pool. That's a phrase my grandma says, by the way, but I am loving this. It's gonna be so fun today. So I've got the float ready, I've got the lunch and drinks packed, and the towels, the SPF. I just need to get my bikini on, and then we're gonna head to the pool. All right, so I got my water, or my fruit infused water anyway. I'm also bringing another bottle of water just in case we need to refill. And then here is my little sandwich that I packed, and I'm bringing 2 string cheeses just in case. So we literally just left the pool and came back home because the sky was looking so bad. We didn't want to get rained on, and it hasn't even started raining yet. It's just the sky got really dark, and then there was like a little thunder. Woo. But yeah, it's not even raining. But anyways, I had so much fun out there. I literally love that pool float. That is the most comfortable pool float I've ever had, and I love it so much. Unfortunately, since we're back home now, I'm gonna have to deflate it so that the cats don't ruin it, but we'll just inflate it again with the blow dryer. That was a genius idea. Genius idea brought to you by my husband, Alan. Anyways, so we're gonna chill outside for a little bit and see what else the day brings. Maybe I'll record some more, we'll see. After I finished filming that, we sat out on the balcony for a while. The sky got darker and darker. It got really scary looking, but it never ended up raining. And then a few minutes later, the sun came back out. So we were like, let's just go back out to the pool. So I didn't end up deflating my float. We went back to the pool, had a great time. So relaxing, it was so nice. Nobody out there. We got the pool all to ourselves. It was great. And we went for a walk around the trails and then just around where we live, so that was nice. And then we had some popcorn as a little snack. I'm not gonna be cooking dinner tonight because I made meal preps yesterday. I actually made mashed potatoes, carrots, and some ground chicken instead of the ground turkey. It turned out really good, so that's what we're gonna eat for dinner. But I figured I would go ahead and end this video because I need to shower and put on some relaxing clothes. I have not showered yet, so I just feel gross from the pool and the SPF and all that. And then we're just gonna relax for the rest of the night. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you wanna know more about the float, I'll have it linked down below. Awesome float. Seriously, so comfortable. I actually would like to sleep in it. So yeah, I'll have that link down below. I got it from Amazon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you have anything to say, leave it down below. And I'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna try to get a shot of the girls real quick because they weren't in a lot of today's videos. So let's see if they'll let me film them before this video ends. But that's how the video is gonna end.